G'day everyone, just back here with the young fella's BMW 120D. So I'm going to throw a new bonnet struts in and some new hatch struts as well. So I didn't know how much effort I was going to make in as a bit of a DIY guide, but we'll see how it goes. There's a million videos of these on YouTube already.
Are there?
Yes, there is. So these sort of things are generally pretty straightforward. I mean, there's normally just a little clip just down here which you can get in with a flat blade screwdriver, and they're just like a ball and socket, so you just need to take a bit of weight off the bonnet. Obviously do top and bottom. Obviously doing the top one, and once you remove one strut, things get a little bit dicey with that bonnet really not wanting to stay open. So that's one out. We'll throw the new ones in so you can see that just doesn't want to stay up. So with that old one out, normally these are just a matter of pushing it straight back on. You don't even have to worry about the little bracket. And that's as simple as it gets. Just repeat it to the other side and it's job done. Notice the strength difference with the new and the old. So the old ones, one strut wouldn't hold the bonnet up. With the new ones in, one strut does the job easily. And there we go. No more having to worry about the bonnet falling down the back of your head while you're in there working. Rear hatch is exactly the same process. So basically work one side at a time. Pop the old one off. Just those little clips. Just give them and again, you can see how weak the old struts are. So you can get something on to hold the latch up, and but you just use your head. Again, a single new strut on its own is enough to hold the hatch open. There we go. Dunsky. So this is just a nice quick video. These things are pretty cheap, so rather than having to worry about them falling down and whacking in the back of the head, just get in and replace them. As you can see, they're dead easy. Takes less than 5 minutes to do either end. Yeah, so thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers guys.